everybody, my name is Pam. I'm one of the naturalists here at Long Lake Conservation Center, and we're out here in nature, which is fabulous. I hope that you're getting out in nature. I am just going to show you some things that you can do to bring more nature to you. It's a great thing to do with kids. We are going to make suet, our own suet, and we're going to do the non-peanut butter version because I know a lot of people are allergic to peanut butter. And we don't have to melt anything, which is the other fabulous thing. And your kids can do a hands-on project and they can become bird watchers. So what you're going to need is any kind of fat. Like it can be suet, like the fat parts from the butcher. You can ask him if he has any of that. Or you can use lard, or you can just use shortening from your house. I just happen to have butter flavored Crisco. I did not run out to the grocery store to get any of the things that I'm using today. You will need some kind of fat, some kind of bird seed. Today my bird seed is going to be black sunflower seeds because that is what I have on hand. And then you can add anything else to your mix. And when you're making up your suet, like if you have 1 cup of fat, 2 cups of everything else that you're going to put in your suet. Now what I did is I went in my cupboard and I found that I had oats and breadcrumbs, and I found some old pumpkin seeds that I had. You can add raisins, you can add different kinds of seeds that will attract different kinds of birds. So here's what we're going to do. I have it all in the bowl. I have 1 cup of my fat, and then I added 1 cup of the black sunflower seeds and 1 cup of oats. I threw in some breadcrumbs and some pumpkin seeds, and I'm just going to stir that up with my spoon first. Your kids are going to want to do this with their hands too, but what I'm going to do first is just stir it around, get that fat mixed in with the oats and all of the other good stuff. You can add raisins, you can add cranberries to this. It's just a real fun thing for the birds. Everything that the birds will love. And the fun thing about it is that it's just things that you have left over on hand in your house. I'm going to get messy now. So the kids are going to love this. You just mix it up with your hands. And they can make it into balls. Or if you have any plastic containers, they can make their own suet blocks. Just press that right in there, or they can form balls like I have right here, and that goes into the freezer overnight, and then you just pop them right out after that, and you can put them in your regular suet holders, or you can cut some string and hang it up on a tree branch somewhere, and then they're ready to go, ready to attract some birds. Now I think this one's going to attract some woodpeckers because it's got black sunflower seeds, but it also will attract nuthatches, and I've seen chickadees at my suet at home. So just anywhere you want to hang these up, enjoy, have fun in nature. And questions you can ask the kids are, who do you think is going to eat this suet? What bird is that? And you can have a bird book nearby if you have one, or you can take a photo of the birds that come to your feeder, take pictures of your kids making the suet, and have a great time. Have fun in nature.